In this video, we are going to learn how to stream to Facebook Live and YouTube Live on the Datavideo BC-50 HD block camera. Let's get started. So first you're going to want to log into the web interface of your Datavideo BC-50. If you'd like to learn how to do that, there's a link in the description below that will take you to a tutorial that goes over all the features and settings of the Datavideo BC-50 and how to find the IP address. So let's go ahead and enter the IP address into the browser of your smart device or laptop. First, go to your video settings and make sure everything's synced up the way you would like. So if all of your settings here look good, let's go ahead and go to Network. And keep in mind under RTMP settings, under First Stream is going to be where we're going to put all of our streaming information. So first go to YouTube and make sure you're logged in to the account that you would like to stream from. Next, click on the video camera icon with a plus button in the middle and click on Go Live. It's going to default to webcam, but make sure you go ahead and select Stream. Let's make a title. Let's just call this BC-50 test. Let's make it unlisted. Let's not blast all our subscribers quite yet. And then let's go ahead and just click on Create Stream because just put no, it's not made for kids. Then click on Create Stream. All right, so it wants to connect to our streaming software, which for us is the Datavideo BC-50. Currently it says no data. So let's fix that. Let's go ahead and copy the stream URL first. Go to the Datavideo BC-50 tab. Now this is especially for YouTube or any CDN you are streaming to that has no slash after the stream URL. So let's go ahead and add a /. Next, we're going to go ahead and grab the stream key. Let's click copy on that. And then let's paste it right after that /. So some encoders might have 2 lines, BC-50 has 1. Looks good to me. Click apply. Confirm everything went through. Now go up to System on the BC-50 web UI and click Reboot. Click OK. So now the BC-50 is resetting. And when it's done booting up, it's going to immediately start streaming to YouTube and communicate with YouTube servers. At that point, we will see the BC-50's image pop up in the preview window. We have excellent connection, which means that we should be getting an image soon. And here we are. Okay. If we would like, now we could go ahead and take this live. So let's click on Go Live. All right, so now we're streaming. So let's go ahead and end stream. When you're done with your stream, just click End Stream. Click on End again. And there's our BC-50 test. And then you can go ahead and edit it in Studio. And it will become a video that will be able to live on your YouTube channel. Let's go to the BC-50's Network tab. And we're going to go ahead and clear it. All right, let's close YouTube. And next, let's go to Facebook. Facebook changes their UI fairly often. So as of summer 2020, the easiest way to stream to Facebook is to start out on the Facebook page from which you want to stream. So if that is a business page or something attached to your personal account, make sure you're on the profile page of that account. So typically where you would create a post, go down and click on Live Video. It'll default to use camera, just like YouTube did, but instead let's click on Use a Stream Key. Again, here we are with our server URL. Notice that there is a / here for us. On YouTube, we had to add that /. Let's go back and grab our stream key, copy that, paste it after the stream URL. Once again, click on Apply, and then go to System and click Reboot. Now, just like it happened with YouTube, when the BC-50 is done booting up, it's going to send a live stream directly to Facebook. Okay, and it looks like we're live. So you have this very small preview window in the bottom right. You can go ahead and make that bigger. So our stream bitrate is at 2.7 megabits per second, which is in line with what we set the BC-50 to do, which was around 3 megabits per second. And our stream's coming in at 1080p at 29 frames per second. This all looks solid. When you're ready to stream, click on Go Live. Now our live stream is up and running on Facebook. When you're ready to end your live stream, go ahead and click on End Live Video. Click on End again, and that's it. I thought the quality was pretty good. Let's go ahead and give Facebook 5 stars. And then you can go ahead and view your post, and that will also become a video that lives on your Facebook page. To learn more about the Datavideo BC-50, go to datavideo.com. Also, if you'd like to learn how to set up the BC-50 out of the box and learn about all of its features, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Don't forget to like us on all our social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thanks for watching.